Today I have this pumpkin that I got from Target. I got it for $5. And I'm going to start by adding some orange to it. So I took my Mandarina Wise Owl paint and I sprayed a little bit of water on it so that the paint would move around. I just wanted to kind of stain the wood with a little bit of the orange. I did not want to make it completely all orange. And then I just took some paper towel and rubbed it off. And I did it a second time with not as much water because I did want it to be a little more orange than that. And then I just wiped again with the paper towel. I set that aside and I got this palette box from Dollar Tree. And I decided to paint this entire palette box with chocolate from Wise Owl paint. I painted the inside and the front and two sides. I took this Metal Harvest word, you can get them right from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted that using Krylon Classic White. And then I got these little cardboard words from Target. They were in a pack for $1, and this one said, "Hello Fall." And I just glued it to the front right corner of the box. Now I should have sanded before I glued that down, but I didn't. So I'm just sanding around the cardboard word. And then I'm just taking my furniture salve and just top coating the box to just freshen up the chocolate. I got this artificial spray from Dollar General. It was $2 and it has a pumpkin and some leaves on it. And I cut the stem off and then I just pulled apart each part of the spray and I just stacked everything inside of the palette box. I glued the pumpkin to the left front corner and then I just stuck the leaves and some of the berries around it. I then took some of my Elmer's wood glue and a little bit of hot glue, and I glued this to the front center of the pumpkin. And I made it low enough so that it could help the pumpkin stand. And then I took my word harvest, once it was dry, and using some E6000, this just works well with the metal, I just glued it to the front of the pumpkin as well. And there you go. Now we just have this harvest pumpkin that you can stand on top of a buffet, inside of a cupboard, or on a table. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.